All right, everybody. Here we have a little issue with our GE refrigerator. So we got the water on right here, and you hit it, and nothing's coming out. So one of two ways. Some people use a hot air hair dryer, and we'll kind of blow it to, the line's actually down here, to try to get it unfrozen, which is the issue. So just in here, just somewhere along the line is frozen. So instead of using a hot air gun or heat gun, we're gonna use something a little bit different. So I got a ice surrender frozen waterline tool. Pretty simple. There's also one called the Line Buddy or something like that. You can get it off Amazon, Walmart, whatever. 10, 15 bucks. So essentially it comes with a syringe we got here and a tube line that you stick up in there and just have it go back as far as you can. And what we're going to do is we're just going to fill this up with some warm water here, and then we're going to insert it and see how it goes. All right. All right, just filling this up here. Could be interesting. All right, let's put the plunger in. I do have a towel here. All right, we're just injecting it slowly in. And the whole idea that the warm water will unfreeze the line. All right, we'll probably do it a few more times. Time here. All right, a little bit more here. Hopefully this works. Mine doesn't go back anymore. All right, let's see. We got a little spill there, but all right, we're gonna give it a sec or two here and wait here, and we'll come back here in a second. All right, back here. So I had to do it about 4 or 5 more times, and lo and behold, water! Woohoo! So there you go. That's how to unfreeze your water line, and pretty much every type of refrigerator. I know a little bit more prone to it than whatnot. Ours is a GE, but yeah. Once again, this little kit was 10 bucks or so off Amazon. Just fits up in there pretty easy. So yeah, cheaper than calling a repairman out. So all right, there you go. Comment if you like.